Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about Facebook ads and how ads are served to you as a Facebook user, and how to know what Facebook are actually giving to the advertisers so that they will display ads on your Facebook account or your Facebook news feeds. So most times Facebook display adverts. The advert they are displaying is actually advert of the things you are interested in, or the things you like to do, or the things you engage in. For instance, for you guys to understand more, let's first of all check our Facebook application and then scroll down a little bit while to the bottom area, not actually to the bottom, let's scroll a little, and you can notice this one that says sponsored. Each time you check your Facebook feeds, and each time it refreshes your Facebook feeds, or you open it anytime, you get an advertisement that says sponsored. Whenever you see sponsors, it means it's an advert. So this advert is displaying here for some particular reason, either because I'm interested in stuffs like this, or I am into anything related. So Facebook picks your data and then serves you adverts that are relating to you, and each time I refresh I get different adverts, but whatever advert I'm getting is going to be related to something that I'm actually interested in, or already doing on my account. For instance, this is what I mean. First of all, let's check what it means by how Facebook ads are served to you. Let's go ahead and Google it, and let's start type how Facebook ads are served to you, and then go ahead and search. Now you can see Facebook ad are targeted ads to based on the user's location, demography, and their profile information. Actually, let's first of all look at the one that says targeted to users. It's targeted to you because it's something that it's either on your location, your demography, or your information. Your information meaning you've put in something like that into your Facebook account, and now it being relating to you. So whenever something is already on your account, you've added it, you've done something similar, they are going to be on your profile. So once they're on your profile, that means Facebook is actually going to make use of all this detail to display ads for you. Now let's go ahead and look further into this by opening your Facebook account, and I'm going to show you your profile information right here. So all you need to do is to go over to your Facebook. Now click on the menu area and scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on your settings, and then you have to scroll down all the way down to where it says your profile information. Now you can notice where it says access your information. Not exactly what we are looking for. We are looking for where it says your information, and then where it says ads. Okay, that is what I'm looking for. Now you can notice where it says add preference. Go ahead and click on the add preference. Wait for it to load. It's going to take a while to load. This is actually the page we are looking for. Now, if you notice on this first area, it says your interest. Now, your interest is varying from business, gaming. That's actually my interest. It might differ on your own end. So you can only have access to this area, which is belonging to what you have. Now, you can notice money, employment, education, technology, application software, gaming, lotus, free softwares, and then YouTube. And then there is still more to it. Just go ahead and click on see all your interest, and you'll see everything varying from top to bottom. Now you can see I still have more of it right here. Then after the YouTube, there is Facebook, there is banking, there is BT, there is Canada, and a lot of more. You can check that, but this actually varies from your own particular account. So now let me back out again and show you guys another information that will interest you. Now click on this your information. Once you click on your information, you get to see what you are still interested in, or what you've actually filling into your account, because this particular section, it's a section of the about me of my own profile. So under my own profile, I added a relationship status, which you already know if you check on my profile. And then I also put that I'm self-employed, and then I also have a job title and also have an educational title. So this actually varies, and Facebook also pick all this information and still makes use of this data to serve me ads on my Facebook news feeds. So whatever information you are putting in on your account, it's actually what Facebook is going to take in, and then they are going to make use of this your data to serve you ads on your Facebook account. Now let's go back and look into more. Now, for some reason, let me go back. For some reason, if you are not interested and you don't want Facebook to make use of any of this data, you can go ahead and turn that off. It actually allowed by you. So whatever you need to edit or you need to adjust, just go ahead and manually do that, manually disable anything and enable it back on wherever you want to. It's just at will, is not for anybody. You can just decide to do it if you want to. If you don't think it's something related to you or you don't think it's relevant, just go ahead and turn everything off, and Facebook would disengage in making use of this information from you. And then another thing you can do under your previous all settings, now you can actually remove any of this option right here. And let me see BET. Go ahead and click on that particular drop down just after the name. You are going to see remove interest. So when you click on remove interest, it's going to remove this particular option from your interest, and that means you are not interested in this particular thing. So you're telling Facebook you are not interested in it, and then you're just going to okay it. So if you're okay, just click outside, and then before you know, it's going to disappear, and then it's going to be removed from your interest, and you'll no longer be served some of those targeted option adverts to you. So go ahead and remove any other thing you want to, and it's actually free for you because it's your account. Now you can also back out. Then another thing, you can also click on your ad setting to still make more adjustments relating to this. So now when you look below, you can notice this particular option. They said if you notice on top, it says we use data to show better ads. You can use the settings to choose whether you want a certain type of data of your data to influence the ads we show. Now, changing the settings won't affect the number of ads you see. So you can be able to click, and then you can disallow or allow, or whichever you choose. You can just do that, and it's actually at your own risk, not anybody's risk. So you can go ahead and click on turn off, and now after you turn this off, you can go ahead and save it. But I wouldn't want to save this because I'm actually okay with it, so I'm just going to back out and then back out again. So for your own end, if you're not interested in it, you can just go ahead and turn it off, and then that's it. So one more thing, you can also check on your ads for your social account. Now you can notice who can see social action paired with ads. You can just click on either of this person, or you can just either like this particular thing or choose this particular option to say only your friends to see it, or you can just say no one to see it. But I'm actually going to leave this on default, which is actually only my friend to see all those related ads. So to me, I'm actually okay with this particular option. So if you're not, you can just go ahead and turn that off. And then that's it for this video tutorial. So hopefully it helped you guys to understand it. And if you don't, please leave your question below. I'll be able to answer it, and I'll be very happy to answer it. And if you still scroll down, you can see that the adverts display, and whenever you reset or you refresh your browser, it can give you a different ads, and sometimes you might not see the advert, which is actually how it works because Facebook doesn't want it to bother you, so you might not be seeing the advert later on. So but here there is the advert. So that's how it works anyway. So thank you guys for viewing this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Stanley from TS Tech Talk, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. And also please do share the video if it helped you with your friends, and give it a like. Smash the like button. All right, see you guys soon. And actually I apologize for my voice because hopefully if you guys are finding anything confusing or finding anything challenging, I really want me to make some changes to that, please leave it on a comment below, and I'm always willing to change and to adjust to any new changes. Thank you. See you guys some other time. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.